So guys, so back with another video. I want to make this one semi-quick. It's about a battery bank that myCharge had sent out. This is their new Mega-C. It's got power delivery PD, which is usually used for, I believe it might be only iPhones, but it does work with my S10. I really don't know too much about power delivery. It also does Quick Charge 3.0. The big thing about it is it has a built-in USB-C port. This is their first battery bank that I've seen that has a C port, and it also has an A, just in case you do need that. USB-C enabled power delivery, which means theoretically you could power a MacBook with it, I guess. Qualcomm Quick Charge, just like I said, charges iOS and Android devices up to 4x faster. It's splash resistant, drop resistant, and dirt proof. I believe it's IP67 rated, I would guess. Here's what the packaging more or less looks like. Splash proof, it's 66 to 67. I honestly can't remember. It's just a 20,000 milliamp battery. As you can see down there at the bottom. Now, what thing I like about myCharge is their stuff comes all pre-charged. This comes out of the box. There's a QR code for you guys, or the car code. But when this comes out of the box, it's pre-charged. It's ready to go. So if you want to run into the store and you want to pick this up, yeah, it's going to work straight out the box and off you go. Now, first things first on this. This guy is pricey. Comes in at about 90 bucks. At the time of this video, I didn't see any Amazon links, but I'm going to see what I can do. I'm going to drop down the myCharge website where you can actually pick this up direct. They call this their Adventure Series because it's rugged, and it comes with one of these. I forget what you call these things. They call it a, I don't know, a carbonator clip. So you can clip this onto a tree, your bag, you know, whatever have you. And then you got inside here is where you got the real magic. You got the A here, if you do decide to use it. You got an input-output C. You got an input C, meaning you could charge it with USB-C, which is a good thing. Here's the ratings here. Let me see if I can tap to get it to, you guys can see it, do your best. All right, and it's pretty simple. It's got the on-off button here. Gives you your LED light showing it's fully charged. Now, I played around with it. I didn't charge it or anything like that. It includes a USB-A to USB-C. I honestly thought it was micro USB when I first saw it, but all right, it is a C. All right, cool. Now, a few things that you will need, though. If you, I guess we could try it for the fun of it. Oh, no, we can't test it on a, we can test this for the S10, but we can't. All right, so if you want to do this for your iPhone, you're going to need a cable like this. See, it's a USB-C to Lightning. This one's a zero. This one's a this is 011? Yeah, this is a 011. These cables are quite cheap if you can find them on Amazon. I'm going to drop down a link for this. I got one of these. This is from my Pixel, I believe. This is a C to C, and this is another A to C cable from a Pixel. But for now, I want to try the included one just to see if it can. We got the S10 here on deck. Let me unlock it. Make sure there's nothing going on here. Let me turn my Wi-Fi off. I was just out watching the fight, so. All right, so I want to see. So we're going to plug in. Now, I don't think you have to really push any buttons. I think the minute I plug this in, it should start going. Let's see if it does or it doesn't. There it did. I want to see if it's actually, oh yeah, there we go. So it is fast charging with the cable right out the box. It says it'll be fully charged within 55 minutes. Okay, now that's cool. I didn't honestly see that when I first opened it up. And then you got on the side where it shows you the battery indicator. Now for the fun of it, we saw that was 55 minutes. Let's use a C to C cable. Now I know this is power delivery because this is what you would charge your Pixel with. It's either the Pixel or might be the 6P. You know what? Let's use Here. This is the official MacBook charger, the Apple cable. This definitely can charge a MacBook, so let's not play any games. All right, so I'm going to plug it into the output. And remember the other one said 55 minutes. I'm going to pop this guy in. And that's C to C. So it's the same thing, 55 minutes. Cool. So the included cable can charge your Android fast charge. Cool. So we got QC quick charge, power delivery. Now, same goes for your iPhones now. It's going to be iPhone, I think, yeah, 8 and above. You're going to want a cable like this. Plug this guy. They can't include everything. So, yeah, a little bit extra, little add-on. Then you pop this in, and then boom. Now your iPhone is fast charging, or whatever they want to call it, power delivery. And I'm not going to pull out anything else. I mean, I just wanted to show you guys the difference in all the cables. It looks like they all do work. So I guess you don't got to be too picky. Fast charging, 55 minutes. Honestly, you know, if all your things are USB-C, let's say, I mean, I would say pick up a cable like this. I mean, you can find cheaper. I'm going to link the official Apple one, but this works great. You can charge your MacBook with this, and then you can pick up this Zero Lemon USB-C to Lightning if you do have a iPhone or something like that, and that's cool for that. And then to actually charge this thing up, that was the kind of weird part. They don't include any kind of a USB brick, which was kind of odd. So for that, I'm going to throw a link down where you can pick up one of these. Or you could use one of these here, some GPEL. Works very good. It's a power delivery 61 watt charger. So you could use that to charge this bad boy up real quick. You could use your, if you have a MacBook, your MacBook USB-C charger. Charge this right up. Alrighty guys, just wanted to make it quick. It's a really good product. I love myCharge stuff. Like I said, you're ever in a pinch, walk into a Best Buy, something like that, pick one of these bad boys up, and you know, you're good to go if you're in a pinch. I just love them because they come pre-charged, and you can trust these things. They're not going to blow your phone up. They're not the cheap Chinese, you know, booms. I must own 50 battery banks, and honestly, the myCharge ones are the only things that I actually trust with my devices. That, yeah, the phones are $1,000. Why play games with a $20 battery bank? All right, guys, I didn't want to make this too long. Leave it a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it around. Leave a thumbs up anyway. Help me out. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Peace. Laters.